Hi, I'm Zach.
And I'm Jesse, and this is the game that we decided to make for our final project. We made a Frogger game. I'll play it for you. I'll go ahead and reset the board. And as you can see, it says push the button to choose your corresponding character. I'll use the frog. And it says touch screen to start the game, and I'll demonstrate that. So you touch the screen and the game starts. You then use the joystick to control your character. You can move in all 4 directions, and you just have to dodge the cars that are coming.
And as you can see on the second board, if you press the SW2 button, it'll switch the direction of the car.
Okay, there, if you get hit by a car, it demonstrates our game over screen, which activates the LEDs that are on the board also. I'm going to go ahead and restart the game again to demonstrate our EE prom functionality. So if you look over here, it says right now student 1 is temp 1 and student 2 is temp 2 with a team number of 1,000. And I'm going to reset the board and then press SW2 on the primary board, which rewrites to the EE prom, and then reset it again. And now this is the correct information, Zach, Jesse, and team number 21. Also being shown on the UART right now are the packets being sent and dropped. Currently, they're only really sent while you're playing the game, so I'll go ahead and start again.
And I'll press the button to change the direction of the car. And if we look back at the screen,
you can see that some packets were sent and dropped. It just gives you a running total of each of those. So we're gonna go ahead and show you our timer configurations now in our code. This is timer 5A, which controls the reading the joystick, the digital to analog conversion, or analog to digital, my bad. We also have timer 1A, which is used to print out the packet information at every 5-second intervals. And then we also have our watchdog timer here, which resets the board after 15 seconds of not having any communication with the other board. And we can actually demonstrate that in a video also. Well, I'll go ahead and reset the board. And right now on the main menu, it is not communicating with the other board. So in 15 seconds, it should reset. The board will flash slightly, and it'll just redraw the main menu as it goes back to the start. Should be coming up. Right there, you can see that it was reset. Another key that we have on our project is we're storing some other stateful information on our EEPROM. We're storing the high score. So I will go ahead and start another new game. And I will just, let's see, I will lose right away, and it'll say that on the screen here, it'll say your score was 4. You didn't get the high score. I think right now the high score is like 30. I don't really want to take the time to reset the high score, but you get the idea that that's scored there. On our board, clearly we had a number of different graphics, and during the game, we would animate them through the movement. So that's pretty good.
and here we demonstrate how we configure the GPIOC pin to detect external inputs that receive packet data. Here's our handler, which calls pet dog, and then if we scroll down in pet dog, we reset the watchdog timer so that the board doesn't reset. Yeah, that's our game.
I think that's our game, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.